Good morning, everyone. Today's devotional verse is from Isaiah 49:15, which says, "Can a mother forget her baby from her womb? But even if a mother forgets her baby, I will never forget you." Friends, truly, a mother cannot forget the child that she bore. But then there are times that we think that we are forgotten. Forgotten by our friends, forgotten by our brothers or sisters, forgotten by our loved ones, forgotten by our best friend, and we feel that we're all alone. But remember what is said in this verse. A mother couldn't forget her baby. But even if that happens, God will never forget you. You are valuable in the eyes of God, and never ever think that He forgets you. Because even if the whole world forgets you, the Lord remembers you. He has written your name in the palm of His hand. May these words be an encouragement to you as you go all throughout the week. This is Pastor Eliza saying, have a great morning and God bless you all.